two cooks in the kitchen. This is a beautiful time of year. The tomatoes are getting ripe. The mozzarella balls are getting ripe. There's a basil coming out. So it's time to make a caprese salad with cherry tomatoes. So let's go get some ingredients. Okay, so come on in. We've got our cherry tomatoes, just doing fine today. I've been holding off on picking them so we'd have enough for this. And there's quite a lot. These are
Sweet Millions.
No,
No?
these
Oh,
are the sun gold.
Sun gold.
Sun gold. These are sweet, beautiful orange. Cherry tomatoes. You can see our better boy. We got one turning colors now. We're just about to get some of those too. But, and over here we have the Sweet Millions. We've been eating a few of these, but they've been just coming a couple at a time. But it's just about to completely go off in here.
Got a split one back in there.
Yep, we're gonna get it.
They're hiding.
Oh yeah. That's a nice haul today. You can see these things have just really taken off. They're about to take over the whole greenhouse. They're gonna have to fight with these chilies on the other side for some growing space. And we're going to pull some of this basil now. We'll take 2 of those.
That's the best we've ever had.
It is. This is, yep. It's just never worked out very well to grow basil, but now it's going. Gonna have some peppers here pretty soon. The ricotta. Look at that plant. It's just got all those flowers and all those peppers on it. It's gotta be great. Okay, so I've cut up all those tomatoes. The big ones I cut in quarters and the smaller ones I cut in half. And we got this 3/4 of a pound of Mozzarella Balls. They come in a liquid, and I just cut all of those in half and toss them in. And then here's a little trick with the basil. If you roll the leaves up and just start at one end and cut little slices. It's a very easy way to cut up basil. Some of these leaves are pretty good size, so I'll probably go back down the middle once. But like that. And this is about half the basil I picked, so we'll see if it needs more. I got plenty. Again, instead of knife skills, we just have slow and careful. Get that mixed in a little bit. Now the nice thing about this, if you're using fresh, like farmers market tomatoes, that they're just going to be really good, vine ripened, super delicious. That is enough to flavor this salad. A little salt and pepper and some olive oil, and that's all you need. Versions of this also would have balsamic, sometimes a balsamic reduction. We'll be making other things with this flavor combination as the summer goes on, because it's really a great one. It's one of my favorites. You can make your own mozzarella. You can do this with heirloom tomatoes. There's just a lot of variations on this theme, and we'll get to enjoy them all here. So I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil. Again, it doesn't really, one does not need to get carried away with this, but this is a good olive oil here. Mix that in a bit, and then we'll get some salt and pepper on here. And before we serve it, of course, we'll have to put some kind of pretty garnish on it. We have here our Malden flake salt. Get that involved here. And some freshly ground pepper. And there you have one beautiful salad. It's very easy to make, very delicious. I've seen two cooks in the kitchen, and we'll see you next time.